In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your GoDaddy order history and transaction details. If you've ever needed to double-check a charge, confirm when something renewed, or keep records for budgeting and taxes, this quick walkthrough will make things simple and stress-free. First, open your browser and head to the GoDaddy website. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual login credentials. If you manage more than one GoDaddy account for different projects, make sure you're signing into the correct one to see the right set of transactions. And as a quick tip, if you're on a shared computer, consider using a private browsing window, and remember to sign out when you're done. After you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It may show your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open the menu and then choose Account Settings. This takes you into the area where you manage personal details, billing preferences, and the records tied to your purchases. By the way, because this is a website, I've added the official GoDaddy link at the top of the description to make it easy for you to get there quickly. Inside Account Settings, find and select Order History. This is where GoDaddy lists your transactions in one place, making it easy to scan through what you've purchased or renewed. You'll see a chronological list of activity associated with your account. If you don't see what you expect right away, give the page a moment to load, or double check that you're in the right account if you manage multiple ones. To view more information about a specific purchase, click on any item in the list. That opens the transaction details, where you'll see the date of the purchase, the product or service name, and the payment amount. This is particularly helpful to verify an unexpected charge, confirm a renewal date, or identify which domain or service a line item refers to. If you manage several domains or services, the product names shown here will help you distinguish between them. That's all there is to it. You've gone from signing in, to account settings, to order history, and finally into the details of a specific transaction. This simple path gives you a clear view of your billing information whenever you need it. That's how you can quickly view your GoDaddy purchase history and billing details. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the link at the top of the description, and thanks for watching.